machine that would seal one bag at a time. Where we upgraded to this, it was like $450, but it's an actual conveyor belt, and you can just place the bag in, and it runs down the conveyor, and it will seal
이게
it
유튜브인가?
down.
是的。
As we got into lip balms, we needed a dedicated melter for it because it's
调高一点吧。
mix it with our large candle vessels. So a dedicated melter for lip balms. I believe that's installed there.
姚总，你觉得这样子可以吗？
可以。
对。
Rather than cleaning that pour pot every single time, we got a lot of pour pot for every single set. Trying to save time and cleaning and cross-contamination. So we've got, how many we got here? We've got probably about 24 of them, and then we probably have another bottle with another dozen of them. And those are $15 each.
Okay, hello everyone, good morning. Today welcome to our live stream. Today I would like to introduce our 52 meters U-type fully automatic candle production line. Yeah, this is from Yide machinery. Firstly, we see the production process. Okay, here is the process. Firstly, you need to prepare the raw material preparation and the melting bags, and then insert the wick to dry, and then preheating the dry. Okay, then go to the filling line. Wax filling, it is including the twin-nozzle filling system, XYZ wax and fragrance filling system, and then go to the cooling timer, cooling down, and straighten the wick, and then go to the second filling line to the twin-nozzle filling system. After second filling, we can go to the surface heating and then packaging. This is the whole process for this production line. Okay, so the whole line output and space requirement. Production output can reach 2,000 to 5,000 pieces per hour, and the max slices diameter from the 30 to 120 millimeters. 1 week max to 4 weeks, and glass height can be 30 to 120 millimeters. The machine can be customized if the container size exceeds the range, and the mental base for the wick tape can be those 12.5 millimeters, 14 millimeters, 16 millimeters, and 20 millimeters wick tape are available and suitable for the customer required mass production and different fragrance small batch scented candles, because it is equipped with 12 nozzles filling system to realize mass production. And XYZ single nozzle wax and fragrance mixer filling system for different fragrance with low MOQ scented candles. So it can meet different production demand. And the space requirement is about 1,000 square meters facility and 100 kilowatt power and 6 to 8 workers required. And it is also suited for the long-term standard production demand. Okay, this production line is very whole line for the whole process. So we highly recommend this production line. And you can see the drawings of this production line. This production line included 1-week inserting machine and dry transfer belt, dry pusher device, preheating device, 12 nozzles filling system for first filling, XYZ single head filling machine for small batch scented candles with different fragrance. It is the 32 meters plus 20 meters conveyor belt, 12 nozzles filling system for the second filling, and top heating device, packaging table. You can see the details on the drawings. Okay, so let's go to the first part, melting pot. Melting pot, this factory chooses 2 units, 1,000 liters, wax melting tank with pump. And you can see wax tank with mixer inside mixing the materials. And pump can be pumping the wax out. This is the parameter for this machine. And then go to the wick part. Wick part, we suggest that you equip with the wick dipping machine together. Wick dipping machine can produce wax cotton wick. Why we need it? Because number one, it can meet high output production demand. Number two, avoid the wick will damage when transport. Number three, you can, according to your production requirement, to produce high quality wick. Here is the parameter for this wick dipping machine, and then we go to the wick auto wicking machine. So why do we need it? Firstly, it can improving production efficiency and quality, because if you insert the wick by manually, it only can reach 600 to 700 pieces per hour. It is low efficiency. If you choose this auto wicking machine, it can reach 2,500, 3,000 pieces per hour. It is high efficiency, and the accuracy is very high. It is also can help you to save labor cost and management cost. Also can improving accuracy and depth rate. Okay, here is the parameter for this machine. Okay, go to next part. Okay, then we go to the pusher device. What is the advantage of the push device? Number one, it is auto and manual model for choose. Number two, auto model can suitable for round shift that can save 2 labor costs instead. Number three, upgrade dry divider model is suitable for different size of dry. You can according to your dry size to increase and decrease the model parts. Number four, it can meet different dry pushing situation, like 4-piece, 6-piece, 8-piece, and so on, with the counting function. Number 5, change pressure model is more easy and flexible. No need to change the mode. Frankly, and suitable for various dry, especially for containers with craftsmanship, small batch, and a special sheet. To use this type, manual model is more suitable. Yes, it can. If you use the manual model, it can protect your jar very well. Okay, let's go to wick part. Okay, wick part. Why need to put pillow candle in the center of the jar? You can see the picture. Why we need it? Yes, firstly, it can keep the wick centered. Number 2, it can make the hole smaller after candle cools down. Number 3, it can reduce the filling weight and shorten the filling time. So why we need the pillow candle in the center? So if you make those programs, you can also adopt this method to improve, to help you to solve the program. This part is preheating timer. So why we need preheating timer? Yeah, you may find when you filling in a cool dry, the wax not solid well with the jar wall. So we need this machine. The advantage of this machine is preheating is major for transparent glass. Through the heating timer, the glass with temperature and filling the hot liquid wax to solid well. It can avoid the wax take off from the jar. Number 2, in order to protect the candle wick well, top heating temperature suggests 60 to 70 Celsius degree. Bottom temperature suggests 80 to 90 Celsius degree. The temperature also can be adjusted according to your demand. Number 3, upgrade voltage control instead of traditional temperature control. It can keep all the heating elements at same temperature always and make each jar with same temperature, no temperature difference, and can continually heating. Yes, this is the advantage of this preheating timer, and here is the parameter for this machine. Let's go to the next part. Okay, next part is key part. Filling system. Okay, filling system and how to choose the suitable filling system. Actually, it is according to your production demand. If you want to mass production demand and only with single color and fragrance, we highly recommend 5 nozzles filling system for you. And the advantage of this system is number 1, the PLC touchscreen set parameter such as the grain weight, filling speed, temperature, and so on. And the 5 nozzles filling system start work at the same time when the sensor detects the cards come. Each card of the wax will be at the same level. And number 2, 5 nozzles filling station is control the filling grain by weight instead of by time. Filling accuracy can be 1 gram area. Number 3, the whole machine is made of stainless steel instead of steel type, and the upgraded electric type instead of pneumatic type. Save raw material waste and clean troubles. Number 4, step motor control instead of common motor, filling speed can be adjusted depending on the jar size. No spilling and to the glass surface, like 200 gram, we can set 500 RPM, and 1,000 gram, we can set 1,200 RPM, anti-droop, and no bubbles. Number 5, the 6 liters air pump with the heating element to heat function and not cooling the bags inside. 20 gram 1 to 5 kg can be adjusted. Output can reach 5,000 to 8,000 pieces per hour, mass production and high efficiency. And number 6, the filling process can be recorded different production formulas by PLC control system. It is very intelligent, right? And the formula can be downloaded for production with 1 click, save time. Number 7, tri-air pump is made of food grade stainless steel 306, anti-corrosion and no rust. Each pump can be controlled separately. If you only want to use 6 nozzles, and you can close another 6 filling system. It is very flexible. Number 8, there are sensors on the side to detect the cup, no filling. Number 9, the feeding tree is designed to avoid dripping, keep the working environment clean and tipping. Number 10, filling tank height auto lift up and down to fit different size of the containers. So here is the parameter for this machine. Okay, let's go to next filling system. Yes, this is our new technical. Yeah, very, very intelligent. It can mix the fragrance automatically and very suitable for the customer who have a big problem on the mixing the fragrance and have a lot of different fragrance. It is very headache program. So why we developing this machine? That's why. So okay, let's see the advantage of this machine. Number 1, separate pump or bags and fragrance can auto mix the fragrance with bags. Easy to change the fragrance and clean. Number 2, mixing fragrance inside of the filling nozzle. Preserve the fragrance well and avoid the volatilization. And number 3, only 5 minutes to change fragrance. No need to clean the filling tank. Very suitable for the customer who have a lot of fragrance. Number 5, auto filling to save more labor and production management cost. Number 5, PLC touch screen, easy to operate and use advanced servo motor to make sure the accuracy. Number 6, less waste of the bags and the raw material. Number 7, upgrade the candle quality, makes the candle factory more competitive. It is very important, right? Okay. Number 8, it is suitable for different fragrance, small batch candles. Okay, we can not only for single nozzles, we also can produce double nozzles, even the 4 nozzles. It's up to your production demand. Okay, so please feel free to tell us your output and the production demand. We believe we can offer the suitable solution for your candle production. So if you have any interest contact us. Okay, let's go to the cooling down and straighten the wick. So how do you straighten the wick if the candle falls over after filling? Firstly, straighten the wick by manually, right? You can see this candle factory is straighten the wick by manually because the jar is not big and not high. You can straighten by manually. And also you can use the wick centering device to fix the wick. You can see you can use the wick centering device to straighten the wick. Also, if you have multi wicks, we can customize the wick centering device for you. Okay, after cooling down in the first filling line, we can change to another filling line. So due to the limited space, two production lines can be split together. One line for first filling is 32 meters, second filling line is 20 meters. The end of first line with a two-way conveyor belt to transfer the candle to second line. Two-way conveyor belt can make candles arranged in an ordinary manner without cooling down. Okay, let's go to the second filling. You can see the second filling also the tri-node filling system. So why we need the second filling? Some customers may have this question. So I will tell you why we need it. Firstly, second filling is only for small grain, such as 5 gram to 10 gram, depend on the jar size. Number two, after the first solidification, add a small amount of the melted wax into the decoration to make the surface flat and smooth to avoid affecting the appearance and the burning effect. Number three, element surface defects. The first pour may cause uneven surface cracks and oil bubbles due to the uneven temperature. Residue bubbles or different cooling speeds. The second pour can cover those defects and make the candle more refined. Number four, uniform color and texture for candles with layered designs or color gradients. The second pour can help adjust the level transition and enhance the further effect. So that's why we need the second filling line. Okay, after the second filling line, some customers need to use the surface painting timer. So why we need it? Surface painting timer, you can see the effect before the surface painting timer and after. Okay, so number one, top heating, a system to emulate bubbles on the surface of the candle, floating bags on the wall of the cup makes the surface smooth and flat. Okay, and number two, it is also voltage control, more stable and accurate temperature. Continuous heating. The temperature can be adjusted according to the Beck's formula, greatly reducing the sense release. Number three, air circulation, more uniform temperature, small hole design, and window more gentle. Number four, wheel design, you can see wheel design, movable, very flexible. And number five, can make multiple device for 2 or 3 times heating. The first one can set 80 Celsius degree to let the candle surface melt. The second one sets 60 Celsius degree to emit the bubbles. And third one set 50 sales degree for surface smooth. Number 6, the panel can be adjusted in height to make the temperature difference smooth and keep better warming function. That's why we need the surface heating panel. Okay, let's go to the final part, packaging table. Packaging table, a quality inspection area can be set up on the packaging table to check the surface defects, fragrance residue, and all label areas on the candles to ensure shipment quick quality. It can help workers to complete packaging work in batches. So also, actually, some factory also want to connect with their labeling machine. Okay, labeling machine run labeling, side labeling, and bottom labeling. Also can connect with the fully automatic production line. It's up to your production demand to choose suitable machines. Okay, so why choose ice? Okay, Yide Machinery has more than 10 years experience in hand making machine, and we have more than 30 types of hand machine. We can supply and more than 100 sales machines in stock, so we can arrange the shipment very quickly. Faster response and excellent after-sales service. We can also share engineering solution to candle manufacturer. Also, machine is high speed, high accuracy, and more intelligent. Stainless steel material made and the brand component. And the top 3 enterprise in candle machine in China. Update machine in details to improve the accuracy and realize multifunction. Truly help candle enterprise improve production efficiency and optimize production process. And also provide stronger design device. More strictly QC quality control. Every machine is tested very strict with our technical engineer and 5 designers with more than 10 years experience in candle machine field. Also, we can offer one-stop solution from candle material to candle machine. Those is why choose ice. Actually, those is the real feedback from our customers. Okay, so choose Yide Machinery will make changes by engineer solutions and alter to be intelligence. Choose Yide Machinery, be professional, competitive, accuracy, and high efficiency. So if you are a candle manufacturer, so please choose Yide Machinery. We are confident we can help you to make your market more bigger and your candle production more intelligent. Thank you everyone. Okay, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Okay, have a nice day.
Okay, it's my turn. Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce the fully automatic candle production line. And this is my proposal, and we have the full range of the candle machine, such as the wax melting tank, filling machine, wick inserting machine, even the fully automatic candle production line. And a few days ago, we visit a candle factory. So we have a fully automatic candle production line in his factory, and I would like to show the details in this proposal. And before that, I would like to introduce our company about Yide, and then the candle production line details, and the final. You may aware about the CE certification and how to package the such as a big candle production line. And about Yide, the location is we are located in Dongguan. It's nearby Guangzhou and Shenzhen. It's the middle of these two cities, and you can come to our factory very easy and very fast. And we established in 2012, and professional agents in the research and development, sales and service of the candle machine. We not only sell the candle machine, but also we can design and customize the candle machine according to your requirements. And the main product, we wax melter, filling machine, wick inserting machine, the candle production, and we last year we added the new product, the red diffuser machine. And last, the CE certification, and we have exports more than 5 years. And the big stock, you can see we have the big stock. That means we can ship the machine within 1 week with the standard machine, and the customized machine we can ship with within 1 month. And the speed is more than other supply. And the production process, and you can see we have the strict production process. The purchase the raw material. Once we receive the order, we will have the engineer meeting and purchase the raw material. And the raw material process and the wiring, the process, and to install the machine. Then the machine has the installed. We will test the machine to ensure the machine can work normally before the shipping. Then we'll package and shipping the machine. And last, we have a lot of customers. We have a lot of customized case, such as the small candle production line and the full candle production line, and even the customers the machine. So we receive your request with the business team. Will communicate with the requirement to make the design and feedback the drawing to confirm. Then we start the production. And I would like to show the cooperation case. We have as I see, we have exported more than 5 years. So we export the fully automatic candle production line in the Moscow and the US and Vietnam, etc. And this time is our the after sales service, and the customer showing the machine running. So why choose Yide? So we use the best material to provide the quality survey to help the customer increase the production. And very efficiency, making the candle process easier and easier. And very intelligent. So this is the real feedback from our customer who after buy our machine and they use our machine. Let's go into the production line details introduction. And this day I would like to introduce the 52 candle production line. They divide to two separate conveyors. One is the 32 meters. One is the 20 meters. They use the two-wheel belt to connect, and the component including the wick inserting machine. They can insert 1 to 4 wicks, and the cup pushing system, the heating device. They have two heating elements, one for the transport jar, one for smooth the candle surface, and 12 nozzles, and XYZ wax and fragrance mixing filling system, and the package table. So they have also the weight dipping machine. Also, the candle production line we can customize according to your requirement, is according to the customer demand. So let's go to in the first part, the wax melting tank. This is very important for the candle production because we need to melt the wax, and we need to control the temperature very seriously, very sincerely, and to avoid the burning. And our wax melting tank is made of the stainless steel double layer jacket design. So this is very hard and 80%, high temperature resistant and very durable. So all the wax melting tank equipped with the wax pump to pump the wax out very easy and safe. So we equipped with the mixer. The mixer can mix the formula very evenly, and the speed can be adjusted. The next part is the stainless steel conveyor belt. The conveyor belt is mesh designed or is very good for the candle cooling and clean the wax. Speed can be adjusted, and we have the wire designed to make the conveyor belt on the same height. The conveyor belt can move on and no shaking to make the candle moving flat and smooth. And the wick inserting machine. The wick inserting machine, instead of the inserted wick by manually, it can make your candle production high efficiency and make the candle accurate. It can insert 1 to 4 wicks at the same time, and they can insert the wick center, be-center. The function is cut the wick and collect the wick sustainer, spare the glue, and insert the wick. How to set insert the wick by you can use the PLC touchscreen and only set the XYZ to it's okay. It's very easy to operate and suitable for mass production, like round shape, like single shape. And the sensor and all the key part, we design the sensor to detect the action. Okay, and we need to prepare the pre-wax wick spool inside of the machine and auto fade the wig. And the next is the car pushing system. The car pushing system is also made of stainless steel and digital display. Digital display, and we also designed the PLC touch screen. And we have the auto mode and in the interval mode to make the jar into the machine and into the conveyor belt line by line. And we have the silicone molds to protect the candle jar and to protect the candle jar. And the next is the heating device. The heating device we usually suggest that you choose two sets. One is for the transport jar to make the jar attack the some temperature, and to make the wax liquid wax attack the candle very attack the candle jar very well. And the next is for make the candle surface smooth and clean the wax around the cup. There are two common points. They are all controlled by the voltage instead of the temperature control. It's more stable, and hot wind to make the temperature also stable. And next is the 12 nozzle filling system. This is the key machine. Key machine, they not only match the stainless steel conveyor belt, they also can match the movable package table. Also, let's see the details. This is all the pump. We use the 316 gear pump, and that means 80 crushes, and each pump can be separated by the PLC touchscreen. And beside we have the transfer tank to change the fragrance and the color. But we suggest if you have we suggest if you have a lot of the fragrance, we have another filling system. But this system needs to some time to clean the tank. And we have the wax pump to pump the wax and pump the wax into the filling tank. And the filling tank, we have the sensor detect the wax liquid. When the wax liquid lower than the level, then we'll pump the wax up automatically. And we have the sensor detecting the cups count to realize the no cup, no filling. And we have the recycle tank to avoid the drop and to keep the conveyor belt clean. And you can see our filling tank is empty, and that's why we can clean the tank very easy. And next part is our new product, the XYZ Access Wax and Mixing Filling System, wax and fragrance mixing and filling system. And this part is difference between that part. It can change the fragrance very easier, and no need to clean clean the tank. Just change the fragrance by the PLC touchscreen is okay. So we can make one nozzle to a double nozzle, and even the four nozzle. Is according to the production demand, and the main product is can very intelligent, and the pipe we have the heating function to avoid the wax cooling down, and two pumps separately, because why this part can change the fragrance very easy, because they have a two pump to control the wax and the fragrance separately, and the lift the up and down filling process to make the candle production very stable, and avoid a splash and no bubble. And we have the filter screen to make the candle quality very high. And next part, after week straight, we need to second filling. The second filling is very important, because when the wax has cooling down, they have some hole or some bubble in the candle surface. So we can use the second filling system to cover the surface. And also we use the 12 filling nozzle system, but this is the difference between that is we use the 60 liter filling tank to instead of the jacket heating tank, because this one is very easy to move and change and clean the fragrance or the color. So the second filling we usually set 5 to 10 grams. So we use the filling tank is very small. And the next is the package table. The package table we have a middle of the conveyor to send the candle jar, the finished product, to the worker, and the worker can be stand two sides and the package. And the standard size is the 4.2 meter, and we also can be customized according to the factory error, and the conveyor speed can be adjusted. Also, before the package table, we can match the labeling machine and the capping machine as well. And about the CE certification, all the equipment has a CE certification, and it can be exported the Europe country, Europe country, and have been export more than 5 years, and it can be ensured our machine is very safety. And how to package our candle production line or the machine. We use the film to around the machine and fix the machine on the wooden case to avoid the shaking and protect the machine. So this is very important because our machine need to on the sea more than 1 month. And this is the details proposal. Thanks for your time.
今天早上我们就是请了2位同事的英文版的一个讲解啊。